Hello and welcome. First off, I'm inserting the ground wire into the post position for the bridge. A bit of wiggling going on there. Now that's situated, I've taken out the actual post and I'm going to insert it into its correct hole. Because I don't have the correct tools, I'm just using a hammer and a bit of cardboard. It does the job. Now I'm just plugging in the pickups. I'm screwing the pick guard to the actual body of the guitar. I'm not putting all the screws in, I'm just ensuring that everything is seated correctly and that none of the wires snag or anything. I'm not quite sure what these black strips are for. I think I'm just trying to work out what to do with them at the minute. Decided I should put the springs on, trying to make sure that I can situate these pickups properly. Just testing out the electronics, making sure everything works. The guitar body is plugged into an amp. And I just move this toggle switch back and forth and ensure that they work properly and the noise comes out the right pickup at the right time. Everything works fine. I've measured up these black strips and I've realised that they're a good idea to use. What happens is that they provide resistance to the pickup when you're screwing them into the body of the guitar to adjust for string height. So yeah, that's it really. Nice and solid. Just doing the rest of the screws in, putting the rest of the screws into the body, no big thing. Can't forget these strap buttons, and cannot forget to put the bit of felt on. I've done that a few times. Nothing hard here, they're just screwing easily. There we have it. This is the body more or less completed, all the components hooked up as they should be. This is the shape that I drew out for the headstock, nothing too radical. I'll be using the coping saw in the background here to hack the shape out. It was hard, trust me, but yeah. This is the end result. Well, not the end result, probably the medium result, so to speak. It looks really rough there, but I'm gonna sand it down and file it down and deburr it. We'll come up with something better at the end of it. After sanding, deburring, swearing and stressing, this is what I finally got the headstock to look like. There's a few imperfections, but this is it. Now the next job I've got to do is to clean this utterly dirty fretboard. Yeah, it's been in storage for quite a while. I'm using quite a mild solution, just some disinfectant and some mild soapy water. Where it's been stored up for quite a long time, it accumulated a lot of dust, even though it hasn't been used. There's just little markings there and residue I need to clean off before. I left it to dry and then I applied some lemonade to the fretboard. I applied quite a lot in several applications. This was done in order to keep the board moisturised. I think it came out pretty okay. smells yummy and it's smooth to the touch. Oh yeah, I forgot about this hole. I just had to punch it through because it wasn't screwed out from factory. Then I just placed a screw in it, no long thing. Attaching the neck to the body, we are provided with this black gasket, but as you can see by the way I just threw it across the room, I won't be using it. I think they put it in so the neck plate doesn't imprint on the body because it's a soft wood, it's made out of basswood. But this is what the connection looks like. Very nice tight fit. Quite a simple task. Attaching the machine head tuners to the headstock. Wouldn't think it's a hard job. But as you'll see in a little bit, I do manage to mess it up. Oh dear, I seem to have over tightened this tune head machine, and this is the result. It's sheared off and broken. I bought this pack of machine heads from my local guitar shop. They're almost identical to the ones that came with the kit, but these ones were slightly thicker. So I ended up replacing all of the machine heads with this new pack, which I think is a good idea. Another box from Toman. These are strings. The strings that actually came with the kit are of a lesser quality, and I've already used them on a separate guitar which I was selling, so this is what I end up using. Oh no, string broke. Yeah, the reason I removed these knobs is so I'm able to remove the plastic from the pick guard. I don't like plastic being left on the knobs because they sound scratchy, and I want a nice smooth action, so just go the extra mile. It takes about 5 minutes to undo these bolts and remove any outstanding plastic. Place them back nicely. Attaching the bridge, attaching the tailpiece. This is time to string them up. Had to have a little break. Mrs. brought me some lunch, so yeah. On with the stringing up. And this is what it looks like at the end. I still have to set it up properly, well, attempt to set it up properly. I'm going to be making a sound clip in another separate video because I still need to work out how to do that so you can get exactly what's coming from the guitar. But this is it. The guitar has been assembled. See you soon.